6 niggas straight cook them
Before I go
motherfucker.
broke like Jock, fuck with that dog like V. Not that rock, that P. How many down in my sock, can't hold my Glock, reason I don't really like that shit. Young turn nigga can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy D back again with another video. I said I'm back with another video. So today, I will be going to SRT Bree event at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. And yeah, so if I don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell for you to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's game. I just ran into two people, Unghetto Matthew, and I just ran into SRT Bree. So yeah, she way back there, Unghetto Matthew way back there. Yeah, so whenever I get the chance, I'm gonna put the pictures in here so y'all can see. So yeah. Clips for y'all. Look at it. I know y'all see it. McLaren. Look at this Lambo. And now look at that Rolls Royce now. I know y'all see it. Look at the Rolls Royce. Look at all these Lambos out here. You know we out here to Big Thunder. We ran into you two YouTubers already. Like I said, Unghetto and SRT3. So we gonna keep this pushing. I ran into Unghetto while I was just walking, casually walking. I ran into SRT3 casually walking too. With my aunt. So hopefully we run into two more. Go to the pit here so I can see. Alright, y'all, you know, we walking with it. I was thinking right here. Oh. I don't know what it is. He gotta go. out the pit. He out of there. He out of there. Keep on recording when the next car comes in. I already get straight to it. You heard me? So yeah, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Car for to come in. Let's get it. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah, we got 3 of them. Yeah, 1, 3. Oh yeah, that's a real action.
Get that V6 out, man. What the fuck?
Let go. Real car. Let's go. Got tapped in. Oh, he finna come out, you feel me? So, yeah, stay tuned till the next car come out. Let's go. Infiniti out here. Stop playing. At Infiniti finna do. Nah, never mind. I changed my mind. Get that out of here. Yeah, get that out of here. I'm cutting the video. Yeah, he knew he had to get out of there. Yeah. Hey, stay tuned for the next car. Next car. Get that Infinity out of here. Let's go. He's out of here. Yeah, we got that Hellcat out there. Let's go. Let's go. That's that Hellcat. Oh, we got that 392. That's scat. Hellcat, scat. I can see that. Don't tell me they got another one. Oh, we got another one. That's a 392. 392, scat, Hellcat, stop playing. But all we need is Bree out here. Let go. Hey, ready? car first. The Hellcat, we got way more power. I'm scared to spin more. That Daytona and that Scat ain't gonna pop out as soon as he did. He got more power than him. Tire pop.
Do your thing, kid.
Man, they lame for that. They set her up. They set her up. Stop playing with her. He out of here. That 5.0. That's that 5.0. Get on Matthew. Get on Matthew. Got 4 of them. He got a regular dog. I see like 6 Jeromes, no cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, the crowd gonna boo y'all ass, yo.
down to 3 cars. He was messing up. He was messing up. We down to 3. We down to 3. Let's get it. Y'all ought to know what it is.
Let's do 3. Let's do 3.
Bad. Oh man, my feet was in the way the whole time. I don't know if y'all gonna see, but I'm gonna throw this clip in there. That was so they just went out right now. I'm gonna just wait till the next car come in right now. So yeah, I'm gonna head back with y'all when the next car come in. Oh, they should do the BMW by itself.
versus old school.
Yeah, old school, new school. I don't even think they finna do that. He look like he poured it. He got his shirt off. That BMW right there finna swing some more. They know that.
Oh, another BMW.
Oh, they just doing BMWs, I think.
New BMW.
No, 3 BMWs. Yeah, he's smart. He parked his BMW on the side. I know y'all see him right there. Gray one right there.
He said he's smart. What?
Y'all feel me? Y'all see all these people out here hot playing.
It was nice, man.
I hit you.
You good though?
I hit you.
Kinda, but I'm good.
Hey, my bad, bro.
Man, that was a mic drop if I've ever seen it.
It's
That's how
an
you end it.
M4 CSN. I'm happy.
Hey, man. Hey, what can I say, bro?
Bro,
That's how you end an event.
Yes, sir, bro. Thank y'all for coming out, bro. For real.
bro, thank you,
This
bro.
is all love, bro. All love, bro. Thanks,
Bro, you
brother.
can hit me again, man.
Yeah, brother. That was a way to end this shit, bro.
Yeah, right?
Is that one now? Shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Pink Flamingo shit. You feel me?
Chill.
That's real shit.
Hey, you.
I just
Hey, you finale that bitch, man. Y'all real. Wow, bro.
Is I even on water?
No, bro. You walked the tire field that bitch. What the fuck? You still got fucking tread, bro. That's it.
And you could hear when you
Hardest look I've seen.
Hey, but I'm out of here. Y'all see all these people out here? I'm gonna make my way out.
It's a secret.
What's that? Even still smoking. Facts. Bro, you already know what it is. Big Big D to go out here, you heard me? We out here, we out here. So without further ado, I'm finna head over there where Bree at, and then we finna head out of here. So without further ado, hop this thing and we out. This is not the end of the video yet, but let's go. Hey! Okay, gang, so this will be the end of the vlog. And yeah, as y'all guys can see, I won a $500 gift card. $500 gift card. Not playing. I want to show the card information, but it's $500 gift card. I'll put a picture up right now. $500. And so, yeah, thank you so much to SRT Bree and that girl for bringing me out there. Without me being subscribed to her, I wouldn't be out there winning none of these prizes or none of that. So, yeah, without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell if you do try to subscribe. Without further ado. Anyway, oh, you thought we had a friend, huh? Oh, and not to mention, we ran into Unghetto Matthew too. So I'll be putting the pictures up right now. Well, Unghetto Matthew and SRT Bree. So yeah, without further ado, now we're really out. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah.
Yo, YBH.